Yeah, that's Benny.
What? No! Stop!
Okay,
No.
never mind about Benny eating his ice cream. Back to this.
But
Here we have,
delete it, Mom.
no. Here we are, the page of the day. It's time for the page of the day. First thing you gotta do is write your name. Benny got it. Okay, now look at this. This is how we can do all this adding with really big numbers just in our heads. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's say I had 2 bottles of nail polish, right? 2 bottles of nail polish. If I had 2 bottles of nail polish, and I got really lucky, and someone gave me 100 more, I just have to think, oh, 102. If I had 2 bottles of nail polish, and I got super lucky, then I would have 302. If I had 2 bottles of nail polish, and someone just felt like giving me only 200, then I would have 202. But if I had 2 bottles of nail polish, it sounds like a Dr. Seuss book, and somebody gave me 400, well, my gracious, I would have 402. Look at that. The only number that changed was in the hundreds place. Interesting. Now let's say Benny was eating my ice cream, because that was his favorite, speculoos cookie butter. Let's see, how many ounces are there? It's 1 quart, 946 milliliters. Well, that's not helpful. Oh, look, how much, what is that? Serving size, 95 grams. Okay, let's say we had 1 serving size, 95 grams, and then I got another 100. Whew. That would be 195 grams. The only thing that changed was in the hundreds place. If I had 95 grams of ice cream, and I got another 300, it would be 395. Oh, I can't write with this hand and hold the camera. It's very hard. Did you fill it in? That gave you a chance to catch up. Okay, good. All right, who can figure this one out? If I had 95 grams and I got another 200 grams, then I would have 295. If I had 95 grams of speculoos cookie butter and someone gave me another 400 grams of speculoos cookie butter ice cream, not much left in there. I wonder where it all went. If I had 95 plus 400 grams, I would have A, a stomach ache, and B, 495 grams.
And a $400 nap.
And I would be sleeping for a very long time. That is true. Let's open up our book, our page of the day, and see what it says right inside here. Well, here they want to make it a little more interesting for us. They wanted us to count the little green blocks. So we have 100, 200, 300, 320, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 325. Oh, easy enough. And then they say and 300. 325 and 300 will give me 625. Huh, what's this number? 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 12. 412. And what are we adding on to it? 100 plus 100. The only number that's going to change is in the hundreds place. Don't worry about the other numbers. So I'm going to put the 12 in. Benny, turn that off. And it's 512. Benny is being distracting. Now look at this. 616 plus 200. Well, the only number that needs to change is in the hundreds place. Let's look at that hundreds place. And we have, well, 6 plus 2 is 8. 816. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Benny is watching something on TV, I think. 342 plus 400. Let's circle the hundreds place so we see it. Ooh, 3 and 4 is 7. 742. 289 plus 300. The only number we have to worry about is in the hundreds place. So 2 plus 3 is, oh, I know, 5! 500 and then 89. Wowza. 726 plus 100. The only numbers that have to change. Those ones in the hundreds place. 7 plus 1 is, oh, I know, 8. Oh, I can't do it. I can't write it. 826. 26. It's very hard to hold on to your paper with one hand. Look at that. There's all the answers on that part of the page. Are you having a chance to make sure you have them correctly written down? Now let's see, do you understand? Do you understand? Explain how you can use mental math to add 100 to 567. Well, I could look at the hundreds place. I would add 100 plus 500, right? And that will give me 600, and then I would throw on the 67 cents. 67 cents, just 67. It's hard to hold this. So 600 plus 67 equals 667. Well, isn't that nice? Do you see that? Alrighty, guess what you need to do? It's time for you to get to work. That's my apple for my lunch tomorrow. See you in the morning.